Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm back again with some really great off-campus opportunities, both for freshers and for interns that are live right now that you guys can apply into. So we'll be having a look at all of them. We'll be going into the details, and along the way, I'm going to tell you guys exactly what you need to know and what you need to do so that you'll have the best chance of getting your application shortlisted. So let's start off with the first opening, that is at Citi. So Citi has been hiring quite aggressively these days, and of course, you guys may have heard of Citi. It is a pretty decent company and they have a very decent pay for freshers as well. So they're hiring for a variety of roles, both for fresher and for interns as well, which is going to be the summer analyst jobs. So they have been hiring aggressively, and this role is going to be for a junior Python developer. So this is going to be a Python role. But Citi works for both Python and Java. So if you're someone who's looking for a Java role, then surely in the future, within a few days, they'll be hiring for a junior Java developer as well, right? So make sure that you keep Citi in your aim, you keep Citi in your list of target companies, and keep track of their careers page, because surely they'll be hiring for a variety of roles in Java domain as well. Of course, both for freshers and interns. So this is going to be a junior Python developer. This is going to be a full-time opportunity. You can see this has been very recently posted. Just 2 days ago it was posted. The location is going to be Pune, Maharashtra, and the last date to apply is March 20. But don't take this at face value, because a lot of times these companies close their openings even before the end date. So they have a set number of applications. Once they receive that number, they pretty much close it. So try to apply before the end date and try to apply as soon as possible. So this is going to be a junior Python developer role. So you can see the responsibilities will be assisting in the development, testing, and maintenance of Python-based application. So of course, you'll be working on Python-based applications, and of course, these are generic items that every software engineer role in software engineering role is required to have, like writing clean documented code, debugging, collaborating, etc. Now, in the requirements, if you take a look at the educational requirements, they're looking for a bachelor's degree in computer science, software engineering, or a related field. So it's not required that you're only having a degree in engineering. They have even mentioned or a related field. In experience, they've mentioned 0 to 3 years of professional experience. And of course, this is going to be a junior role. So definitely, even if you don't have any experience, you have 0 years of experience, you still can apply. It is a junior role. And whenever you have 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 0 to 3, 0 is inclusive of that. Okay. Then apart from that, they are asking for solid understanding of Python programming, familiarity with DSA, because of course Citi is a company that does care about your DSA skills, and most probably you'll be asked DSA in the interviews as well. Apart from that, basic knowledge of web frameworks of Python is a plus. You need understanding of relational databases and all these things. So definitely, this is something that you guys can apply for. Again, educational requirements are bachelor's degree or equivalent experience. So this is a fresher-friendly job, and this is a very, very good job that definitely you can try your hand for. Now, similarly, they had an opening for summer analyst as well, and for deadline of this was also in the future. But if you take a look at the workday page, then this page does not exist as of now. So probably they might open it again. Probably they might have closed it for now, because this was also posted very recently. So we cannot say for sure, but for a fact they will be opening it again in the future, right? That's why I'm saying you need to keep track of these companies, and you need to keep track of their careers page, because a lot of time these openings come and go like anything. So for summer analyst, like they may open it again, so you have to keep track of it. And for this again, you can see that the requirement was Java related. You can pretty much see all of these things. So definitely it's a very good opportunity. If you're looking for a summer internship, then it is going to be a great opportunity. So keep waiting. I'll give both links. Maybe they'll open it in the future. We can't say for sure, but there's a good chance that they will, because it has very recently opened and it's not been that long before they closed it. So again, a very good opportunity from Citi. Definitely keep track of Citi and their careers page. You will be seeing a lot more opportunities. As much as I know about Citi and what my friends who are working at Citi have told me, they are expanding aggressively. So you will be seeing a lot more opportunities, a lot more roles at Citi. Now, next opportunity I have for you is software engineer and research internship. This is going to be at Orange Labs. Now, the company location is San Francisco, but the location for Indian people is going to be remote India, meaning you can be from India and then work remotely. And of course, remote jobs are pretty much the best out there, right? Because of course, you will be working from the comfort of your home, and you'll be working on some real world industry grade projects. So you can pretty much see what they're looking for. You need to be enrolled in or recently graduated from a CS software engineering or a later academic program. So 2025 grads can apply, 26 grads can apply as well, 2027 grads can apply as well, right? So as long as you're currently pursuing your degree, or even if you've recently graduated, you can apply in this. And it has just been posted 2 days ago. So again, a very good opportunity. No experience is required. Definitely something that you guys can try your hand in. Of course, it's a startup. And working in startup can be a great thing for your overall career, because you get to learn multiple things. So definitely, again, a very good opportunity that you can and should try your hand in. All right, next up and last, we have the weekend internship at Unstop. So they've pretty much extended their weekend internship, and now you only have 2 days left. This is going to be a great opportunity for all of you students, for all of you people who don't have much things to put in your resume. Because here, the only thing you need to do is work on weekends, and on the basis of that, you'll be getting 5K stipend, and you'll be getting goodies, and of course, you'll be getting certificate and some valuable things to put in your resume. So you'll be able to boost your resume, upgrade your resume just by working on the weekends. So definitely, this is something that you can try for. And of course, selected candidates may be invited for 1 week in office training as well, which is again going to be a very cool thing. But mostly it's going to be work from home, and of course, it's flexible hours. You only need to work on the weekend. Okay, so again, a very good opportunity. If you haven't already applied for it, make sure that you apply for it. I'll give a link in the description box. So these are the openings we have in the moment. Definitely, you can try your hand in all of them. And if you need one-to-one guidance, you're having any issues with your resume, you're having any issues in your placement, or any other sort of issues you're facing in your placement journey, then you can connect one-to-one with me, and I'll personally guide you, I'll personally help you and tell you exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it, so that you'll be able to crack your dream job. So you can connect one-to-one with me. The link for that is going to be in the description box as well.